Hey guys, look what I have. It's my Cricut Explorer. I'm so happy it's finally here. Thingamajigger out of the box. And color on my friend the Fat Max. So here we go. Let's unbox it. Yay. So this is not my first Cricut machine. I also have the very first one that came out back in I think 08, 09-ish. Let's see. It tells you what's in the box and some tips and tricks and stuff. I'll read that later. Where's the fun and starting where they want you to. And project materials. Let's see what we have for first. Just the okay. Nope, still stuff. So some paper. More paper to tell you what type of paper this is. Ooh, duct tape. That's kind of cool. More duct tape. Some vinyl. Feels like iron-on. And some black stuff. So let's put that back up. Alright, so we have this thing. It's holding it. Anything in here? Nope, empty cardboard. So we'll throw that over. And we finally get to the machine. Yay! All the boxes. Oh no. Oh. Cricut mat was in there. And this box. Where you come from? Oh. Oh, we're on camera. We can't make out. Okay. So, and power cord. Mat. And let's open this bad boy up. So what I like is that this one does come with a little carrying bag. I think that's pretty neat. And I hit something, so it's opening up before I can get it out the bag. Throw that over there. So voila! That is it. Open. It's like a spaceship or Cadillac or something. So let's see, we have room under here for some blades that you can house it in. And oh, this is cool. It has a little storage tray, which the first one didn't come with that, so I would always end up losing my stuff, or not losing it but misplacing it. And styrofoam slot. I'm assuming this is for that marker, and this is the blade look like. And it has a little opening here for old cartridges, I guess. This little thing is for you to sit your tools while you're working. So I'm getting ready to do my first cut, and I'm doing it on a cardstock paper, but it's a light cardstock, so I'm going to put it on light, and then I'm going to hit go. The one on top is in 1 inch. The one at the bottom is a little over 2 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to cut a really small little dragonfly that I have it at a 1/2 inch in height. So let's see how this comes out. Because if you were following along their marketing campaign, one of the things they were really marketing was how small the machine could cut. That is the finished product. And that's it. That's my Cricut machine. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Or if you would like to see more projects, go to my blog, becomingfab.com, or follow me on Instagram or Pinterest at becomingfab. Also, please like, share, and subscribe.